How to add or remove contacts to iCloud Photos Share Library on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, tap on your Apple account name at the top. Then we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on Photos. In here, we then go down and tap on Share Library. Next, we then go down here and tap on Add Participants. Now from here, tap on the Add button to browse your contacts list, and then simply select a contact that you would like to add. And here it is now adding participant and sending the invite link to that contact. And here you can tap on the Send button. And that's it. To remove it, simply you go into the participants list, tap on it, and then scroll down and tap on Remove from Shared Library. Tap on Remove from Shared Library. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.